Hi my darlings, welcome to my mini tutorial. Today we're going to do a blue eye. I already have finished my foundation and mapped out my crease off camera. We are going to take blue eyeshadow and put it exactly where you see it on screen. Then we're going to take a light concealer and clean up the under part of my crease. Don't worry about the top of it yet, we'll get to that. Then we take a loose white powder and set the lid. And I also put some on my nose and on the bridge of my nose to help bake. When I do my liquid liner, I use e.l.f. liquid liner. And I start with the outer parts of the wings. Then I go into my inner corner and I go up where my natural crease is. And I connect it straight down in a straight line from the end of the wing. Then I fill it in with black liner and then set it with black shadow just so it sets faster. After I've done that, I take a brown eyeshadow and an angled brush and I make sure I do my brows. And once I'm finished with that, I take blue eyeshadow and blend it from the edge of my crease out to the end of my wing. Once that's completed on both sides, I take concealer and clean up under my brows and clean the top of the eyeshadow and even adjust the angle of the wing. I pull it all the way out to my hairline to help make sure that it's very angled and pulled out. After we've set that with shimmer highlight, then we can contour. We do the cheeks, we do the temples, we do under the nose, and we do under the chins. Once we finish that, we do our under eye. We take blue eyeshadow, going out to the end of the wing and pulling it down to right in the middle of my eye. Once that's done, I'm going to bake under my eyes with Honey Beige Airspun powder. I take a little bit on a brush first to go right on the border of my eyeshadow. Then once that's done, I go under my cheeks and carve it out with Suntan Airspun. Then, to make it pop, I go with Ben Nye Super White powder on top. To do my nose contour, I go straight down from the angle of my crease and towards the dot. I make basically a triangle on my nose and make it really severe. Once we've finished with that, then I blend everything out and buff everything out as much as I can. There was a technical difficulty when exporting the files, so the finishing touches is lost, but I added top and bottom lashes, a little bit of blush, some concealer on my lips mixed with glosses, mascara, and then a little dot of white eyeliner on the tip of my nose. And now all we're gonna do is change into my outfit. Ready? Ta-da! This is the result. I had so much fun doing this look. If you have any colors that you would like to see me do on my face or any fun looks, please comment down below. If you liked me, tell your friends. If you didn't, tell your enemies. Thank you. Bye. I hope you enjoyed my first tutorial. We have many more planned for you. I'll see you next week, my darlings. Stay safe.